Willow class. I'm in school again. It feels very, very strange being the only person in here, and I feel like I'm teaching a class of empty seats. However, I hopefully am hoping that you will see this at home, because this week we are going to be looking at column addition and column subtraction, and I just wanted to remind you of some of the methods that we've been using to add three-digit numbers together. Now you'll see here I have my numbers that I'm adding, and I've put my headers at the top, so my hundreds, my tens and my ones, and I'm using that to help just to remind me what each of these digits mean. So I've got the number 263, and I've made that number here with 2 hundreds, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 ones. So I know what that looks like in my head. And I'm going to add the number 152. So I've also made that number 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 2 ones. Now, if you remember, I always start with adding my ones together. So I've got my 3 ones, add my 2 ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think most of you would be able to add that mentally. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my tens. Now I've got 6 tens and 5 tens. Now I know that 6 and 5 is 11, but I can't write 11 here because I can't have 11 tens. I can only have a one-digit number. So I'm going to take my tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know that 10 tens make 100. So I'm going to move those tens and I'm going to swap them for an extra 100. Okay? And I'm going to move that to the hundreds column. So now I'm left with 110 and 100, which is the same as 11 tens. So now I'm going to add my tens. So I've got my hundreds, sorry. I've got 2 hundreds and 100. So I've got 1, 2, 3 plus the extra 100, and that makes 400s all together. So my answer is 415 to that addition number sentence. Have a see if you can try some of those in the attachments below.